Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to get verified on Coverstar step by step and what you need to do to increase your chances. Let's jump right in. So first, what does verification mean on Coverstar? That little blue check mark next to your name proves your account is authentic, popular, and trusted. It helps boost visibility and shows you are a recognized creator in the app. Step 2. Meet the basic requirements. Before applying, make sure you meet these basic requirements. Have a complete profile, clear profile picture, username and bio, be active, post regularly, and engage with your followers. Gain a strong following and consistent engagement. Follow Coverstar's community guidelines. No violations or copied content. And remember, quality and originality matter way more than just numbers. How to apply. Now, to apply for verification, open the Coverstar app, go to the settings, account, then verification request. Fill in the form, include your real name, social media links, and proof of authenticity like an ID or online presence. Submit, then wait for the Coverstar team to review your request. It can take a few days to hear back. Bonus steps. Collaborate with other verified creators, stay consistent with your uploads, build a presence on other platforms. It helps your credibility. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. And if you find any issues, you can simply go and talk to Coverstar support.